Good evening. On behalf of the Madras Musical Association, it's a great honor and pleasure for me to invite and welcome every one of you this evening for this show, Rendezvous. A very warm welcome to Ricky Cage, our chief guest for this evening. He is a Grammy Award winner composer. Welcome to all our distinguished guests. We have the Austrian ambassador with us this evening, the US Consul General of Chennai, and many other distinguished guests are here in our midst this evening. A warm welcome to the patrons of MMA, our past conductors and past members of MMA, and all your presence is a blessing to us because we have come a long way these past 122 years. We also have a lot of music directors in our midst from the film world of Chennai, and we welcome them too. I have to finally, but not the least, thank all our sponsors who have really generously contributed for us to be able to conduct this show. It's a very large mega show for us, and we hope you enjoy this evening. I call upon Sonia Khan. She's the Managing Director of Indian National Youth Orchestra from Delhi.
Thank you, Mary. And before I begin, we want to take this opportunity to thank the Madras Musical Association for hosting us and helping in organizing this mega event. We are very grateful for the support of Mrs. Mary Rodericks, Mr. Augustine Paul, Mr. Kishore Das, and other members of the MMA. Namaste and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Ian Vayo and the chorus and Austrian Music Concepts, we welcome you all. This evening, we present a musical bonanza with 135 musicians and 180 singers. The musicians come from 13 different states of India and have undergone a week-long intensive training under the tutelage of the faculty from the Vienna University. This evening's concert will be incomplete if I do not express my most sincere gratitude to all our partners and sponsors who were instrumental in turning this project into reality. Our main sponsor, AVL Cultural Foundation and AVL for funding the international flights for our faculty. We welcome and thank Mrs. Catherine List, President of AVL Cultural Foundation, for coming all the way from Graz for this concert, and other members of the AVL who have come from different parts of India. We especially would like to thank Mrs. Elizabeth Giegler for going out of her way with all the coordination and support for this mega project. Thank you, Elizabeth. Our next sponsor are our music partners, are the Associated Board of the Royal Schools of Music, London. We would like to thank Mr. Timothy Arnold, Executive Director of Global Operations, for all his support of ABRSM, being our partners in music education, and Mr. James Welburn for supervising all the coordination between ABRSM and INVIO. We thank our local partners, the KM Music Conservatory, for their support and cooperation. We are very grateful to Mrs. Fatima Rafiq, Executive Director, Mr. Adam Craig, Academic and Coordinator, and Mr. Srinivas Murthy, Mentor of the Sunshine Orchestra, who will be playing out here with the INVIO Orchestra. And we are looking forward to working with the KM Music Conservatory for our future projects and bringing music education to all in different parts of India. This workshop and concert would not have been possible without the continuous support of Mr. Anthony Gomes and Mrs. Nonabel Gomes of Furtado's Music, Mumbai, Furtado's Music is the official instrument sponsor for all the INVIO events. On behalf of INVIO and the Austrian Music Concepts, we would like to thank our faculty from Vienna, headed by Mrs. Sandra Rudolfi. We take this opportunity to thank each one of you for the endless hours you all have put in for the sectional and full orchestra rehearsal and doing all the separate master classes for them till late at night. Thank you so much, dear faculty. Not to forget our conductor, Maestro Upadhyaya, who is the backbone of this project. And his special gift he has given to the INVIO of his Tamil and Malayalam composition, which will be performed for the finale of this concert. Before I end, we take this opportunity to thank all the musicians and their parents who believed in INVIO and were with us right from the beginning. We would especially like to thank the parents who have come all the way from Nagaland, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, and Hyderabad. Thank you so much, dear parents. Thank you so much for believing in INVIO. Finally, a big thank you to you, wonderful audience, and being patient with our speeches. We wish you a wonderful and a pleasant evening ahead. Thank you.